Deep cleaning on Asus ROG G752V gaming laptop. Thank you, Sir Aaron, for trusting PETIT Solutions. The Asus ROG G752V is a large and complex gaming laptop, making deep cleaning a challenging task. Due to its size and intricate design involving multiple components and cooling systems, it is advisable to have it professionally. Deep cleaned by a technician experienced with gaming laptops, proper disassembly, thorough cleaning of the fans, heat sinks and internal components, and safe reassembly are crucial to maintaining the laptop's performance and longevity. With its large and intricate design, presents a significant challenge for deep cleaning, even at a professional repair shop, due to the complexity of its components and cooling systems. Having your laptop deep cleaned at a trusted repair shop is highly recommended. Professional technicians can thoroughly clean the internal components, removing dust and debris that can cause overheating and reduce performance. This includes cleaning the fans, heat sinks, and vents, which helps maintain optimal cooling efficiency. A deep clean can extend the lifespan of your laptop by preventing hardware issues caused by dust accumulation. Trusting professionals ensures that the cleaning is done safely and effectively, minimizing the risk of damage to delicate components. A deep cleaning by a trusted repair shop enhances your laptop's performance and longevity. Asus ROG gaming laptops are highly regarded in the gaming community for their performance, build quality, and advanced features. These laptops are equipped with powerful processors, high-end graphics cards, ample RAM, and fast storage solutions, making them well-suited for demanding games and applications. They often feature advanced cooling systems, high refresh rate displays, and customizable RGB lighting, enhancing both performance and user experience. Overall, Asus ROG gaming laptops are considered a very good choice for gamers looking for top-tier performance and reliability. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.